Yeah, good morning, everyone. Yeah, am I audible? Yes, guys, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
So, what was the last topic we have seen, Ma? Parquet file, I think, huh? Reading of the Parquet file. Am I right?
Visa ORC.
It was okay. ORC. So we have already done that, na?
Yes, ORC.
Okay, yeah. Okay, guys. So today we'll start with reading of the. Okay, today we'll start with the reading ORC file. I think we have done it already. So today we'll start with reading of the Parquet file. Everyone, Parquet file. Okay, guys. So let's start with the Parquet. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, so guys, just a minute. So before we move forward, let us start the session. Start the services because the services creation will take much time. We'll start the services, then we'll discuss it. ADB Parquet, and now I'm using the workspace. Durga Soft Workspace, click on create, everyone, and again click on the create. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so anyways, it will be, suppose guys, suppose if the source is having, guys, everyone, suppose all of you, if the source is having 100 rows, 100 data blocks are created. Okay, number of blocks increases increases the number of blocks as the number of rows increases, as the number of rows increases. Okay, 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 and number of searches also increases. That is more number of blocks to query that means to query the data. Whereas in the columnar, you have two type of storage: row-nar storage and columnar storage. Now, guys, what do you mean row-nar storage, guys? Row-nar. Okay.
The records will be fetched row-wise.
Yes. Row-nar storage and columnar storage. Columnar storage. So here, what is columnar storage? Yes, guys, tell me now.
So these are
The
actually
block created for one column. One block is created for one column. Getting my point? One column, that one block is created for one column. That means comparatively with row-nar, the columnar reduces the space. The columnar reduces the space. The more number of space is occupied is very less comparatively when you have to, what is that? Row-nar format. Getting my point? Columnar. Okay, columnar. What is it? You have it? Columnar. So columnar is a format. Columnar. Okay, columnar is a format. Guys, columnar is a format. Columnar is a format. Okay, columnar is a format. Row-nar. Sorry. Row-nar. So guys, what is it? Row-nar and columnar. Columnar format is that, suppose here you have, suppose some, okay, 100 rows are there. You can see here, 100 rows are there. So now tell me how many data blocks is created for 100 rows? For each row, one block is created. If you reverse it, if you reverse that data, tell me now how many block is created for what? For in the columnar, the 100 rows will become the 10 columns. How many columns it will become, guys? Tell me now. Hello, are you there?
yes, sir.
Yeah, 100 rows will become how many columns here? 10 columns. And for each column, one block will be created. So now tell me, if you have 100 rows data is there, in the row-nar, how many blocks are occupied? How many blocks are occupied in the row-nar? In the row-nar, almost all 100 blocks are occupied. Where in the columnar, how many number of the blocks are occupied? Only 10 here. Okay. So anyways, this I will explain you once we go into this architecture of columnar and row-nar and columnar, that is modern data warehousing, and the ancient data warehousing. We will discuss it. Okay. Right now, let's not go into this depth. Okay. So now, guys, what I will do is, so let's just a minute. This is, I think it's created. Everyone, go to the deployment. Just a minute, guys. Okay, guys, now launch it. Okay, guys, are you there? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm creating a cluster now. What about rest of you?
We see only that notepad, sir.
Just a minute, just a minute. Fine now? Yeah, everyone is able to see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
That's fine then. Basically, the Parquet or ORC are called as very lightweighted files. Very lightweight files. Okay. So, okay, anyways, which is used to carry the data. I will do one thing, guys. I will select it on a single node because it's costing very high to me. So I'm just using the single node and click on the create. Just a minute. Okay, guys. So now the cluster is ready. So I'm going ahead with the creation of the normal think we have it. That is the notebook. So guys, today's notebook. Guys, I'm just using a notebook, everyone. I'm audible, guys.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, guys, read and write. Write, what is that? Parquet file. Write Parquet file. Everyone? Huh? So guys, just click on the same cluster I want to create it. Cluster 1, that's it. And default language, if you tell. If you want, you can change the default language also. That's not a problem. Okay. So, but right now the default language is what? Python. So hence I'm selecting the create. Yes, guys, everyone. So directly I'm starting up. Now, guys, can you see here? Reading, all of you, reading. But here, can you see here? I don't have the Parquet file right now. But what I will do is I will try to convert the CSV file into the Parquet. But in the real time, you need not worry. You will get the Parquet files. Okay. So reading data from, what is it? CSV file format. Okay. So anyways, so I'm using reading data, commenting this, all of you. Okay. So what is the workaround we'll do is we'll read the data into the CSV format, then we'll convert into what's that, guys? Then we'll convert into Parquet, and then we'll reread it. So for that, just to begin the process, we have to upload this some of the CSV files. So for that, I'm using what's that, admin console. All of you, DBS file browser, you have to activate it. So for that, workspace settings, you have to go, everyone. And once you go to the workspace settings and start up the session, refresh it once. Now, guys, go to this. Can you see here? The recents. Yes, guys, all of you are there now. Nobody is responding except one. Yes, guys, are you there? So click on the data. Click on the DBFS, guys, and now upload the files, some of the files. Select it here. Tables. Guys, upload. And now this time I want to drag and drop. Now, guys, I'll select the file here called airlines, everyone. Done. That's it. Finished. So, guys, I have already uploaded the file. Just check once before you move further with the process. Okay. Fine, everyone. The file is uploaded. Now, tell me now how to read the data from the CSV files, guys. Tell me now. DF is equal to spark dot read dot
Spark, sir.
yeah, guys, what happened? Are you there, everyone? Spark dot DF is equal to spark dot read dot format or instead of format, can I use directly CSV? No, CSV. I can use the file path here. What's the file path? Can you see here, guys? File store slash table slash airlines dot CSV. That's it. Now, guys, comma after this, use what's it? Header. Header is equal to true. Header is equal to true. Just a minute, everyone. Uh, okay, guys, that's it. Header is a true. Then use what's it? Infer schema. Na? Infer schema is equal to true. And use separator. Default separator is what? Fine, everyone. Yes, guys. What is the problem? Yes, guys.
File store is yes.
File. F-I-L-E. F-I-L-E. File stores. So it's asking for.
Should be capital.
Yes.
Should be capital.
Yes. File store. Yes.
Yes, should be. Yes, should be capital.
That's it now. Now use what's it? Display. Display data from data frame, all of you. Display data from data frame. So what's that you have to use? Tell me now. DF. How to use it? Display data. Tell me now, guys. Display
DF.
Display of DF.
DIS.
Okay. Just a minute. Fine. You got the data. Okay. So you want to count the number of rows? You as it is count it. Count number of rows from data frame. DF dot count that's it. 6161. Now 6 CSV data is available in the data frame. Am I right, everyone? CSV data is available into the data frame. Now, can you see here, this data frame? I wanted to write it into the PARQUET format here. Okay. So we are going to write the data into PARQUET format. So for that, can you see here? I'm using it, all of you. Write the data from data frame to PARQUET file. PARQUET file. Now, guys, for that we have a method called df dot write dot mode and the mode is what's it? Overwrite dot, guys, what's it? You have it format. Which format you want to write? Tell me now. Huh?
Parquet.
Parquet. So use it here. Parquet. Parquet. From data frame, write the data into what's it? Parquet format. Okay. Dot save. That's it. Okay. Where you want to save it, you need to give the path here. Okay. So I want to store the data here, the same file store slash tables. So Parquet file name. So I want, guys, airline Parquet. My file is airline Parquet. It's not the folder. It's not the folder. It's the file. Okay. In this table directory, I want this particular called what's it? In this can see here. That's it. Now run this.
Is the extension not required, sir?
Not required. Let's see here. If it is required, we'll add it. But so go to this data. Here, just go to this file. Can you see here? Extension is not required basically. This is how it's writing the data. It's writing a part. Okay. How the Parquet data generates? That means Parquet file generates the data. So actually the data is in what? This file here. Part. What's the file you have it? Part file. Okay. Part files contains the actual data. Okay. The data here. Okay.
Okay.
What is the compression algorithm it's using? Can you see here? Can you see here? What is the compression algorithm it's using? Can you see here? Snappy dot Parquet. Snappy dot, yes, snappy. Yes, it's using what's it? Snappy. Okay, that's it. Okay. Dot Parquet. Snappy dot Parquet. So totally 4 files are created, but actually data is what is it? You have it? It is there in this one part file. Okay. Okay. So can you see here? We have it here. Now, if at all you want to view the directory, you can just say here. List the files. List the files in dbfs. Everyone, okay? In dbfs directory. How to list this? Tell me now. Can anyone tell me? db
utils.
Yes, db utils dot
fs.ls.
.ls. That's it. Now give the path. You have the path here now.
You have double quotes at this time.
See here. Got it? Everyone.
Okay.
Now guys. Now can you see it? This is the data we have it. The data returned to the Parquet. Now can you see here? Take this path as a source. Take this path as a source now. This path as a source, you take it. Now reading data from the Parquet will do it. Okay. Guys, we'll take this path as a source, and now reading data from the Parquet will do that. Okay. Am I right, everyone? Please. Yeah, guys, come out, all of you. This is a very important concept. Actually, I don't have Parquet files, so hence I'm using this way. I'm converting first CSV file to Parquet. Now I'm taking the Parquet file as a source, and we'll move further. Yes, everyone. I'm audible now, guys.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now, guys, reading data from following everyone. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What about rest of you guys? Okay, so now let's use it here. Reading data from reading the data from guys, reading the data from Parquet reading the data from Parquet file. Okay, now tell me. Now Parquet data is ready, so now you have to use it. How to read the data? src underscore path is equal to, can I give this as a path for the Parquet file? Yes, guys, everyone.
Yes.
So I can use it now. That's it. Is following everyone, guys? I want a reply from all of you. Guys, if you are not responding, I'll dismiss you from the meeting. At least I'm so asking you so many times. No one is responding. I'll dismiss all of you from the meeting, guys. Please respond it. So are you following everyone?
Yes, sir. Following, sir.
Right.
That's right.
So guys,
Yes, sir.
df underscore Parquet I'm writing. ds underscore Parquet is equal to, can you see here? Spark dot, guys, I'm writing spark dot read dot format. Okay, that's it. And use what's it? Parquet
Okay.
dot load. Here you need not give infer schema and a delimiter. You need not use it. Infer schema automatically it will take. You need not worry. Dot load, guys. src underscore path. Can you see here? You need not use a dot options. All these things are not required here. Okay. Schema dot option. All these things are not required here. Okay. Parquet file automatically captures rest of the things here. Okay. That's it. So you need not worry about anything here. Simply you need to write it as it is. Okay.
Header is also not required, sir.
Not required, not required. Now, guys, even you can write it the display here. Display dot, guys, df underscore Parquet. See, invalid syntax.
Dot is not required.
Dot remove.
Display. Sorry. Okay. See here. Fine. Guys, fine now.
Okay.
You want to see the string here? That is You want to see this? Just a minute. Can you see it? Automatically it's capturing the schema. Integer, string, a string, a string. Can you see it? Automatically it's capturing the schema here. You need not worry about the schema also. Okay. Now further. That's it. So now guys, okay. See here, you have the default compression algorithm. What it is using? Huh? Can you see here? What is the just go to this data and now
Sir, one small
no, just a minute. Just go to this. Can you see it? What is the compression algorithm it's taking here? Snappy. But we can also change it from snappy. Yeah, tell me, ma. Now tell me.
Sir, can you please go back to where we read the CSV file?
Where we read the CSV file. Okay.
Just can we just see the schema? Can we print the schema?
Which one?
No, can we print the schema here? So we have inferred schema. Okay, fine. I mean, my question is, what was it when we created the PARQUET file? The schema
It
definition.
automatically see when you use first time. If what happens? You mean to say that now?
That DF
Yes,
from
yes,
where
I
we
got
created the
from
PARQUET.
where we got the schema. That means a PARQUET file. See, basically what happens is generally these PARQUET files, even when you get in the real time, generally you will have the data in some format. Like we took the data from the CSV format now.
Correct, but we created a data frame from CSV format. I just want to see what is the schema structure of that data frame.
So you want to see this one? This one now. Print schema.
Print schema. DF dot.
Okay. Print schema.
No, sir. DF dot print schema.
Okay. DF dot print schema.
Schema is that.
Okay. So now let us run this once.
Brackets at the end.
Oh, just a minute. Just use it here. Closing and opening parenthesis. See. Integer string.
Okay. So from where did we create this PARQUET file? We created from this one only.
Here only, no? PARQUET. We have created into data frame, and data frame data we have taken up right now into this PARQUET format. Okay, we have converted this. And now after this one, again, what I'm doing is this using this one as a source, src file path. Here I'm storing it as it is. And from here, because I don't have the PARQUET file readily available, I would followed this way. Then I've used, can you see here? I'm using df PARQUET, spark.read.format, and PARQUET format. Load is this path. And this path is here. Already we kept it here. Here, this is the path we took it. And this path or this particular file into the PARQUET format, we got it again from where? From the data frame called DF. And from the file called airlines.csv. Yes, tell me. Yeah.
Okay, sir. No, my doubt is that if this ID column is a string column in this DF.
Okay. No, in the DF, it is integer only, no? ID column.
Correct. My question is, if it had been a string column, will the Parquet file automatically infer it and convert it into integer is my question. I will try it from my side.
Okay, you mean to say conversion of this one, huh?
Will it
Okay.
confirm? I mean,
I don't think so.
my-
It will yeah, I don't
my
think so.
question is, if the ID
Automatically
column is a
deduction,
string column,
automatically deduction of the schema.
whether,
I think
will it happen
yeah,
or not?
no,
is my
I don't think it will happen, because it will read it in. We say that it will automatically deduct the schema, but
Correct.
it
When
will
it
take
reads,
it takes the schema from the base file only. That is the logic. If such is the case, then why we had an option called designing user defined schema? If such
that
is the
is
case,
what, yeah, that's
yeah.
what I am. Because you mentioned
Mostly,
that it automatically infers schema, so that was why I got
so we need not use that option called infer schema. That's the thing I wanted to tell you.
okay. Okay, so thank you.
Okay, even when it comes to this, the snappy, you have it. Even the Spark recommends to use the snappy. Okay, we can use the ggip also here. Instead of snappy, we can go for the ggip, gunzip. Okay, we can go for gunzip or anything else. Okay, now let us see. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That's it, guys. Now let us further. What is left out in this? Just a minute. Just how to, can you see how to read and write the data to the Parquet? We have seen it. Okay. Okay. So now, guys, if at all you want to, again, can you see here? Because if suppose you got the data into this, Parquet file, now your Parquet file is not human readable files. Make sure. Okay. And now you wanted to write the data again into some format. Okay. So for that, again, I can write it like this. Okay. Rewrite it. Write the data. Write the data from. Write the data from data frame. Okay, data frame df underscore Parquet. This particular, can you see this particular for that is a data frame? I'm writing it to CSV, because this contains the Parquet file, na? df underscore Parquet. Am I right? Yes, guys. Yeah, I'm audible, guys.
Yes, sir.
So let's use it here. Okay. Okay. I'll write one more syntax, no? One more syntax. Then after that we'll discuss this. Okay. Just a minute. I'm using it. Reading data from, okay, guys, reading data from Parquet file. Parquet file. So directly, I have one more method here to read the data into the Parquet format. Df, can you see here? Df underscore park. I'm using par. That means is equal to spark dot. Guys, spark dot read dot. So now, guys, directly we have method here, Parquet method. Parquet method. src underscore path. Guys, df dot show. Df dot show. Again, I want something like this. False. So now Let us use this. Guys, everyone is following? Yes. Please come out, all of you.
Yes.
This method is also working now, guys. Spark dot read dot parquet.
Yes.
This method is also working. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, guys, this is the one method. Now, also one more method we have used it above. Yes, this is the another method. Spark dot read dot format. This is another method we can use it. Okay. Okay. Now, that's it. Now, let us write this one. Okay. Now, let us write this one. I'll tell you. Okay. So, how to write it? Can you see here? DF, now we can use the data frame as df underscore par or df underscore parquet anything. Okay. So, I'm using it. This is the data frame name par underscore df underscore par dot, can you share write dot mode everyone overwrite what is the format you want it? Dot format. You want to write the data in which format? CSV. So use it here, the CSV dot save. Where you want to save it? Save. Tell me now. So file store, tables, sort. I want airlines Spark. I want airlines Spark. That's it.
Slash at the start.
Where? Here you want to say?
No.
Oh,
No.
that's it. Now run this.
But df underscore parquet, I think.
Okay. We have just now df underscore par.
Okay. Can we also refer it before this command?
Yes,
then?
yes, of course.
Okay.
That's not a problem. Okay, now because already it's created, now it's compiled. This cell is compiled before the cell.
Correct. Correct.
Okay. So now just run this once. Now go to the data. Check DBFS file store. Do you have airline Spark is there?
Yes.
This is the data. Open this. Okay, this is how the data is. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now, guys, whether it is a what is a delimiter used in the CSV? How to test it? Tell me now. I'm writing the code here. Testing delimiter. Testing delimiter of a CSV file. Spark dot text. Okay.
Spark.
Spark. Okay, spark dot read dot text. Use it here. Now under this closing. Okay, do one thing now. You copy this path now. Every time typing. Then afterwards, dot show. Show, you can write it here itself. Show, what is that we can do here is, guys, show 5 comma truncate is equal to false. No data, nothing. Okay. See here. What is the delimiter now? Tell me. Can you see here? What is the delimiter now? Guys.
Comma.
Comma.
Just a minute. Now guys, what is it you want? Right. Where is it? Above now. Okay. Far right, where it is, where I have written it. Spark. Here you have it now. Suppose here you have it data, everyone. Just a minute. Copy this. I'm just copying instead of typing this code again and again. Suppose format. Okay, then I'm using it. Dot option. Use it here. What is the dot option? Header, comma, true. Okay, now dot, I want one more option. Dot option. This time I want to change the delimiter here. Now use a delimiter, everyone. Use a delimiter. Comma. Use it here. I want a pipe symbol. Fine. Okay, guys. So now
Single pipe only, right?
that doesn't matter. Okay, so now what we'll do is now I'll change it. Airlines Okay, ABC airlines. What's that I'm using, guys? ABC. So let's run this. I'm creating a CSV file with a delimiter as what? Double pipe delimiter. Yes, it's not a single pipe, double pipe delimiter. Okay. The comma is replaced with the double pipes here. Yeah, guys. Now testing is done. Filter keys. Do you want to turn on? Do you
No,
want to?
no,
No. Okay. Okay. Next after this, okay, let's do one thing now. Test it. The same whatever the code you have written now. Just test it once. So how to test it? Tell me now. Spark dot read dot. Just now we have used now text. Guys, what is the format? Same. No problem. ABC, na? Huh? Then afterwards, dot show. What's that have? Tell me now. That's it. Okay. Let's try to run this now. Invalid syntax. What is the error, guys? Can somebody tell me? Dot. Here you have one more dot. Now 2 dots are given. Sorry. Fine now. Guys, got it now? What is the delimiter now used? Guys?
double pipe.
Double pipe.
This is how it works. Okay. That's a double pipe. Okay. Double pipe delimiter. Okay.
Sir, can you please scroll a little up?
Okay.
Yeah. This.
Okay.
Sir, how to apply aggregation functions on row level?
So here you wanted to, that is you mean to say.
Suppose I have column salary is there. So I apply aggregation function, max aggregation function on salary. So it will find the max salary on column level.
Yeah. I mean to say, you want to apply all the transformations on the data.
Yes, in row level, not
Yeah,
in
yeah.
column level.
Actually, you want to apply on the row level.
Yes.
Then we can go with the functions, right? Exactly.
But I tried with functions also, but it will fetch on column level. It's not fetching data from
Okay.
row level. Suppose I have a row with salary and I want to find a max value. So I'm not able to find that. Instead of row level, instead of I use column level, so it will give the exact value.
Yeah, in the next 2-3 days, we'll see this. Next 3-4 days, we'll start up that one also. Transformations will start it. Okay.
Okay. And one thing I have another question. So can we fetch the data from Microsoft OneDrive?
Microsoft?
OneDrive. OneDrive is there.
Okay.
Can we do that, sir?
Microsoft OneDrive. You want to fetch the data from Microsoft OneDrive?
OneDrive is there. There we can store some files.
I got that. I got that. I'm just trying out. Just a minute. OneDrive is here.
I think it's just a path which wherein you can share it to be accessed.
But actually, this OneDrive, okay, it belongs to what? It's basically, the storage.
Yes.
Because
storage drive.
Because it should be recognized here in the link service. That's the thing. So if it is a storage, then you have to link a service is there now. Just a minute. Just give me a second. I'm just checking off here. The data factory. Create the data factory. Create ABC. Let's click on the create. Basic name conflict. Some name that let me check in the link service exactly, because it's not there in the services. So if it is there,
it's not an Azure service.
I know that. Yes, it's not an Azure service, but I have just checked that you have anything added here or not. In the services is not there, but it should be there in the link service. If anything, provision is provided, because if you have any external source, you need to get connected and access it, isn't it?
Correct. So you have to be accessible to that location.
Yes.
And
no, any kind of this thing is given or not. Just a minute. Launch it. Hello. Yeah, good morning. Yes. Yeah, we have it. We have it. If any direct link service is not there, at least it will combine a checkmate. What was it? Tell me. So here the storage. The storage is blocked. So we have here.
The idea would be to move whatever source we have to any of these storages, and that's how we would be able to do that. One thing, or there should be a way wherein we can connect, because from Azure, I think we can connect to Microsoft SQL Server also directly. We have some drives to be set. So I think there should be some way.
Definitely there will be way. I'm just trying out to search it directly. That's the only thing. Okay, let me check on this. I'll get back to you. Who is it? Somebody asked this question. No? I'll just check and let you know. Anyways, okay. So that's it, guys. This guys clear now. So this is the thing we have it, okay.
So like how we upload whatever files we need to process from our local drive to a blob storage or
if it is a local drive, then the way is that you can go with virtual machine and upload
virtual machine. Yes, from there we can have, we should be uploading. And
oh, I was trying out you know, is any specialized thing is provided for that, you know, any link service or something, because they'll keep on updating the things. No, that's why I just checked out. If not, directly you have to create a virtual machine. If it is on on-premises, you have to pull in. That's the way you have it. If it is already there in cloud, then you can try out some other way. If it is added in cloud now, there will be some other way to access it, definitely. Anyways, I'll just check and tell you on this. Okay, guys. So that's it. So with this, we'll just end up the class here. And tomorrow we'll start with the other formats we have it. Okay, guys. Clear, everyone?
okay.
That's it. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Naga, tell me.
Samir, for recording sessions, how many months we have access?
6 months.
Okay, and that means after the class, after the
yes, after the club, after the course completion, 6 months.
Okay, from after the course of completion, from the
completion date, not during this. After the course completion, 6 months will be there.
Okay, got it.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Stopping the class.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.